Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in Ross and I came in to see what the Christmas items they had. So they have these tree toppers right here for $5.99 in gold. They have this nativity scene right here, $21.99 for that. They have the angels here with the baby, $11.99. This nativity scene right here is $29.99. They have the Santa here in silver, $19.99, and they also have him, well, I thought that was gold, but they have the two silvers. They have these made in India Christmas trees right here, $6.99. Have yourself a merry little Christmas, $6.99 for that. And they have this one right here, All Rose Lead Home for Christmas, $4.99. They have these 12 blue, white, and silver ornaments right here, $5.99. They have Noel, $6.99. Mistletoe, $6.99. And Fa La 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 La, $6.99. Sorry. They have this right here, Glory to the Newborn King, $5.99. All right, so down here at the bottom, they have these little three guys right here, these little ornaments for $9.99. They also have them in red, and I see gray back there. They have these table decors right here, $9.99. They have this 4-pack of coasters right here, snowman here. They're $3.99. And they have the fur present right here. And they also have this one right here that says Believe. This one is $12.99, and they actually light up, guys. This one right here does. This one right here is going for, let's see, $16.99. They have a lot of the ornaments down here. You get 91 ornaments down here in silver and gold. You get tree toppers. They have this 50-pack of ornaments right here. A lot of these, the price are like in unusual spots, so some of the prices I may not give you today, guys, but they have a lot of ornaments. They have these little cute Christmas stockings right here. This one right here is $8.99. They have this one right here, $9.99. You get a set of 2. Actually, you get a set of 3, guys, for $9.99. They have these bells right here. These are $4.99. They have them in red and gold. They have these wall decors right here. This one doesn't have a price. They have these right here, the little stars, the garland, for $7.99. All right, so as you can see, they have tons and tons of throws here for $9.99. They have this one right here. They have this one right here. And they have this one. So they have plenty of them, guys. And while I have you right here, I want you to look at these wall decors right here. Santa stops here and welcome. They have kitchen towels over here. A lot of these things are out of place, but they have kitchen towels right here. Everyone's entitled to an occasional meltdown. Let's see, what are these? This is an actual table runner with the Christmas tree. They have the one right here with a black and red check deer. They have a lot of the tree skirts right here, a mini tree skirt, silver, and I see red. And what is this right here? I think this is it's an apron here. This is an apron for $8.99. And they have tons and tons of, what are these? Tablecloths here. Tablecloths are going for $9.99. They have placemats here. You get a set of 4 for $4.99. They have this one right here with the red truck. And they have this one right here that says Merry and Bright. $4.99 for all of those. And they have this pretty one right here, guys. Look at that. $4.99. A lot of these. Here's some more down here. They have those. Happy Holidays. These are really pretty. They have this one right here. All of these are $4.99. Be Joyful Always. They have tons of those. Alright guys, here's another nativity scene right here for $29.99. They have the llama up here. He's 12. They have this penguin for $13.99. They have this little gnome right here. I love his hat. $6.99. And they have this guy back here. He's in his sleep attire. He is going for $11.99. They have these little critters right here. They have this deer right here. $9.99. These little chickies are, let's see, $3.99. He missed an eye. Oh. They have this guy right here. They're all missing eyes. Look at that. These should be marked down. They're $4.99. They have these right here. These are $8.99. And they have this little girl right here. She has on her little red dress. She is $9.99. This guy right here is $9.99, and he is $9.99 as well. Let me see if I can prop her up. There it is. So let's see what these are. These are wall decors right here, Merry and Bright, $9.99. And this one right here says I'll Be Home for Christmas, $9.99 as well. They have these pretty red baskets here with the red truck for $6.99. And they have this one right here, Cookies for Santa. Let's see, $4.99. They have these little treat totes right here, these little bags right here, $3.99. And they have tons and tons of Christmas boxes, guys. Let's see. These are actually nice. Look at this. Very nice. They have this sign right here that says Happy Holidays, $7.99. A set of 3 tree clips right here, $7.99 for that. More boxes. All of those. Alright guys, so I see these pumpkin spice spoons right here. These are going for $3.99. They have this 4-pack of coasters here for $5.99. Those are really cute. And they have these right here. You get a set of ceramic coasters. And these are $3.99. They have the one with the little puppy. They have this one right here that says Love. They have this one right here. You can see that. And they have this one right here with the snowman. And they have another set of coasters right here for $3.99 with the red truck. Ross has really stepped up their game this year. They have this napkin holder right here with Santa, $3.99. They have this Christmas mug right here, $3.99. They also have this one right here as well. They have these angelic soap dispensers right here. If you can see those right there, they are going for $6.99. Alright, so up here at the top they have the Nutcrackers right here. This guy right here, he is going for $14. This one right here is $9.99. They have this one, and they even have a snowman one, guys. They have him. And not sure what his price is. Let's see, what is this right here? These are you get a 4-pack of mini Nutcrackers here for $6.99. Look at those. They have the wine holders right here. Dear Santa, the wine made me do it. They have that one right there, and these are all $2.99. Let's see what this one right here is. $2.99 as well. Here's another pretty one right here. There's that table decor right here that says Joy. $5.99. We wish you a Merry Christmas. $5.99. And here is a little table decor with the red truck, and it has the little countdown days till Christmas. Let's see. Doesn't have a price on it, guys. Alright, so they have these tall Nutcrackers right here. I'm hoping that the price is on this little tag right here, and it isn't, but I'm gonna try to pick it up. $19.99 for those, guys. Let me step back and let you see those. They have this guy right here, and they have Santa up there. They have a lot of kitchen Christmas decor. This is $4.99. They have this spoon holder right here by Lennox. Let's see what the price of it is. $4.99. That's a good deal. These are very expensive. They have this spoon rest right here that says Christmas Blessings. $3.99. Soap dispenser with Santa. $6.99. Here is a llama. You can put cookies on here. Let's see. And here's another one of these little girls. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add her back over here so she'll be happy with her little sister. And look at her little shoes, guys. So they have the llama. They have the little cat. The snowman. And here's another cat back there. And these are going for $4.99. They have 3 assorted single cup flavors. These are compatible with Keurig. And let's see, it's hot cocoa. $2.49. They have these spoon resters right here, the snowman. They are $3.99. You get this salt and pepper shaker right here, $3.99. You get the sloths, salt and pepper shakers, $3.99. Salt and pepper shakers, $4.99. There's another Santa back there. Here is Santa and the snowman, $3.99. They have a lot of salt and pepper shakers right here. They have this one right here, $3.99. And they have this one right here with the red truck and the Christmas tree, $3.99. Some of the table decors right here are $4.99. Alright guys, so they have tons and tons of pillows right here. Look at this, 'Tis the Season. Let's see what this one is. No price, guys. Peace on Earth. I'm gonna see if I can find it's normally on the tag. Here it is. And it's not on the tag either. Well, actually, it's $12.99 for the one that says Peace on Earth. Let's see. Here's one right here that says Let It Snow. Let's see. $9.99. Move this to the side here for a second. Faith makes all things possible. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Let's see. Trying to find the price for you. $9.99, but they have a lot of pillows. They even have sets of 2 right here. This black, white check one right here. You get a set of 2. They are $18.99. And look how cute this pillow right here is, guys. You get the red truck and the camper. And all the little polar bears on the inside. And let's see what the price of it is. $9.99 for that. I'm going to make my way across over here. They have a lot of table decor and wall decor right here. They have this pretty one right here for $14.99. Christmas market, $10.99. And I always see these here at Ross. They have these little white basket one right here, $14. They also have it in brown up here as well, with a white flower on the front. They have this pretty green wreath right here with the pine cones. Let's see, $21.99. All right, and how cute are these lanterns right here? These are $29.99. This is what they look like. They have this wreath hanger right here with a Christmas tree. But they have a lot of nice things in here, guys. I was kind of nervous about it because I didn't think they were going to bring anything out this year. But they have really stacked up for the holidays. They have these little decorative holiday trees right here for $7.99. They have this battery operated angel right here that lights up. Let's see what her price is. $9.99. They have these LED Christmas trees right here, battery operated, and they are going for $10.99. More of the ornament trees right here. They have this one. They have a lot of the Lennox items here. This cross right here is going for $7. That ornament right there, $8.99. So a lot of these are like in between $7.99 and $8.99. They have this Rudolph ornament right here, $9.99. All right, so they have some little table decors right here. These are actually candles. So they have this Santa one right here, $4.99. I mean snowman. Then they have Santa. He is $4.99. They have these little set of 3 ornaments right here. The gold presents for $3.99. They have a little snowman candle here. And some of the candles right here that says Joy for $4.99. Here is a Grinch ornament right here, guys. Look at that. $9.99. They have a little angel ornament there. All right, guys, so I just wanted to pop into Ross and see what other things that they put out. They have this star right here for $12.99. They have this right here. All of these are wreaths, wall decors. Well, thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel today. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Miss Queen Bee. Welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel again today. And I hope to see you guys again real soon. Look at this right here. Very beautiful. It's a sleigh. $10.99. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.